This is CJ Beyond CP. We got Domino's.
We got Domino's. He loves the Domino's.
I love Domino's.
I asked him to do a video with me, so thank you guys.
Yeah, for sure. This has for a very long time been a Roundtables family, and I'm the only one who liked Domino's. He was under the impression that it tastes like cardboard because he's been parroting what Mom's been saying his entire life. And he's gonna like it. Look at that. Let me also explain why we're in a new setting. Chris moved.
Yeah, we moved, guys. This is gonna be the setting for now. I'm gonna eat the wings now.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ranch. I'm also not a ranch guy.
He's also very picky.
Go ahead and dip your wings. Tough guy. How's your first wing?
It's good. I'm okay.
Even with that last video of us eating hot sauce, that's not an accurate proportion to how Chris eats hot sauce. I've literally seen him eat salsa with a spoon. It was insane.
I eat spicy stuff all the time, so this is nothing to me. Give me some milk.
Guess what we don't have, bud?
Oh yeah, we don't have milk.
He was doing this completely blind. Pretty incredible, actually. On a scale from 1 to 10 wings, how many wings are you giving these wings?
10.
That was a good bite. Took the whole thing on top.
So good. What are you ready, right?
Oh, this is, I don't know, like 9?
Yeah.
9 out of 10 pizzas?
9 out of 10 pizzas. That's a lot of pizzas.
I need those 9 out of 10
Yeah.
pizzas.
He can eat a whole pizza by himself.
That's true. I eat a lot of carbs. I'm sure as many of you guys have seen, a bunch of Europeans have entered the US and have recently discovered ranch. Have you seen this?
Oh yeah.
I can't imagine
Yeah.
not knowing what ranch is, like as an adult.
I put ranch on everything. And now I'm gonna eat this pepperoni by itself. So good. Not non-sponsored, but I didn't like Domino's when I was younger, but now I love it. Yeah.
Most of his life, it tastes like cardboard to me. That's, yeah, because that's what Mom told
Be
you.
quiet.
He would never try it, and I would get Domino's specifically because I knew nobody else would eat my pizza. One day I was like, hey Chris, I'm gonna get Domino's, do you want to try it? And he went, yeah, why not? And he loved it. Okay. Cheers. Boop.
Cheers. We're Ninja Turtles. Oh, we're so hungry.
Neither of us actually ate anything all day.
Yeah, all I had today was a bagel.
I also am a big Coke fiend.
Now we're gonna do dessert, right?
Oh yeah, it wouldn't be a well-balanced pizza meal without a nice dessert.
Man, but Ryan, what would you rate this?
Oh, these are fantastic. An 8 out of 10 cinnamon bites.
Same.
Emmy, get down. Get down off the ground.
Everything on this table is a 10 out of 10. I hope you guys enjoyed as I do. We started rapidly too much.
We're yappers.
We're yappers.
We're yappers. We're a family of yappers. It is what it is. It's our first video in the new house, so you know, at some point you might see us in new places.
Yeah.
You enjoy our yapping? Like, follow, subscribe, and follow on Instagram.
Woo!
Woo!
Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later.